I was very happy when I received the application for this event by Monica Betancourt-Diaz and the co-organizers. And I also want to say that it was not only me who was enthusiastic about this, but like everyone at EMBO was really excited about this important event. And I think it's also fantastic to see how these EMBO workshops can be used to facilitate these multi-stakeholder gatherings, right? We had funders there, but also publishers and researchers, and I think that's really great. Yeah, I want to share one example about what EMBO is doing in the sustainability space, because I think it also relates to this meeting, because it's also about creating new links between people, new partnerships, and it's about a document that we co-published as EMBO with many other organizations last year called the Heidelberg Agreement on Environmental Sustainability in Research Funding. And it's a quite short document, and the outcome also of an EMBO workshop, of an EMBO policy workshop, and is focused on the implementation of sustainability into funding schemes, to make this in a meaningful way, to prevent a box-ticking exercise and not putting more stress on the already really highly pressured researchers. And the reason for this is that big funders like Wellcome Trust or CRUK or the DFG in Germany have started to implement sustainability into their funding scheme, so making it a requirement for researchers to reflect on sustainability or even to implement sustainability measures. And we thought it's a good moment for self-reflection and to bringing funders but also other stakeholders together in Heidelberg. So we had also research performing organizations and researchers and also social scientists, because that's very important if you want to change also the scientific culture. I must say we had a truly collaborative energy back then, and I must say I feel that here as well, and in this meeting, that there's really a strong wish to create also a vision for this new field together. Back then, this resulted in consensus points and also in ideas and principles on how to work together, transdisciplinary and through multiple stakeholders. Funders agreed that they cannot risk doing nothing. Right, and I think we all have a picture in mind what happens if we just continue with business as usual. This is a living project, the Heidelberg Agreement, that new organizations can sign up on this. And we are focusing on funders, but also other organizations. And we have also interest now from also funders in Portugal and in Spain. So that's really fantastic. This document is great, but first of all, it's words. And for this group, it was also important that we come into action afterwards. And I think this is also a sentiment for this meeting, that we come together, but this is just the beginning of really new projects and collaborations. So after this meeting in Heidelberg, now there was a meeting in London, and there will be follow-up meetings afterwards. And that's also important for this event, that these ideas are carried on. Partnership is really important for this event, and I feel from all the 17 SDGs, maybe partnership is the binding glue of all of it, and I could really feel that there was a strong wish for this and this event, and I'm looking forward of what comes out of it and how we will brand this new research field.